Hey everyone, if you want to start your mornings feeling stronger, more flexible, and ready to tackle your day with energy, then stick around because today's video is for you. We're talking about the best morning stretching exercises for beginners. Simple moves that you can do right when you wake up to feel great all day long. Whether you're new to fitness or just looking for a quick routine to boost your mornings, these stretches are super easy to follow and come with major benefits. So if you're ready to wake up your body and feel amazing, make sure to watch until the end. Trust me, these stretches are going to make all the difference. But before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more fitness tips. Now, let's get stretching. 1. Alternate heel touches. This is a fantastic exercise to warm up your lower back, legs, and core. Here's why it's so effective. Heel touches stretch your hamstrings while engaging your abs and helping to improve your flexibility. Plus, it's a great way to activate your body and get your blood flowing, especially after a night of sleep. Doing this movement regularly can also enhance balance and stability, which is key for overall fitness. 2. Push-ups for triceps. This exercise targets your arms, specifically the triceps, and is amazing for toning your upper body. Why should you add this to your routine? Push-ups for triceps help build upper body strength and improve muscle endurance. They also work your chest and shoulders, so it's a great all-around movement for strengthening your arms and upper torso. 3rd leg exercise. This one's perfect for loosening up your hips, legs, and lower body. Why are leg swings so beneficial? Well, they increase your range of motion, help stretch out your hip flexors, and warm up your quadriceps. Whether you're getting ready for a workout or just trying to improve your flexibility, leg swings are a fantastic way to mobilize your hips and legs. 4. Lunges. Lunges work your legs, glutes, and core, making them one of the best full-body exercises you can do. Lunges are fantastic for improving balance and coordination, especially when you're incorporating them into a morning stretch routine. Not only do they strengthen your legs, but they also help with mobility and flexibility in the hips. Plus, lunges activate your core as you stabilize your body. 5. Stretches with muscles. Dynamic stretches. These stretches are a step up from static stretching because they keep you moving while stretching out multiple muscles at once. Dynamic stretches are great for improving flexibility, joint mobility, and warming up your muscles before any activity. They help reduce the risk of injury, especially if you plan on being active later in the day. These moves engage your entire body, getting your heart rate up and your muscles prepped for anything you've got planned. It's like a mini warm-up to get your body ready to go. 6. Sportsman stretching. Finally, let's finish strong with sportsman stretching. This dynamic stretch combines a deep lunge with a reach toward the floor and then up to the sky. It's perfect for targeting the hip flexors, hamstrings, and spine. Why should you do it? Sportsman stretches are awesome for increasing flexibility and helping to release tension in the back and hips. They also promote good posture and core activation, which is great if you spend a lot of time sitting during the day. This is a fantastic way to open up the body and get into a flow before you take on the day. And there you have it. These 6 stretching exercises are simple, effective, and perfect for beginners. Not only will they help improve your flexibility and mobility, but they'll also set you up for a more energized and productive day ahead. Remember, consistency is key. Add these stretches into your morning routine, and you'll feel the benefits over time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could use a good stretch. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on fitness, health, and wellness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.